So welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 9th mathematics chapter 9 areas of parallelogram and triangles. Exercise 9.3 question number 1. So I will be solving exercise 9.3 question number 1 today. So question number 1 is what? First you can take down the question, that is 9.3 exercise 9.3 question number 1. In figure 9.23 you all can see the figure 9.23. E is any point on median AD. E is any point on median A and D. Okay, A and D. Right. So next thing is what is given to you all. Show that area ABE. You'll have to show that area ABE is equal to area ACE. So this you have to show that this part and this part are equal. Okay. This portion, this and this, okay, these two are equal. Okay, this one and this one. So basically what you are going to do with this is, so let me solve this one first. AD is the median, right? Here what is given, AD is the median. You can write down the solution right over here. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, therefore it will divide, therefore you can write down it will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal side. Of equal areas. Okay, so first what I will explain you all about this is AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD is the median of triangle ABC. You all can see this. Therefore it will divide triangle ABC. So it will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. Okay. So what you'll have to write is area of triangle ABD. Okay, area of triangle ABD, that is A, B and D. This triangle is equal to area of triangle ACD. ACD. Okay. So take this as equation 1. So ED is the median of triangle EBC, right? So ED is the median of triangle EBC. So what I will do is write down therefore triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD, and take this as equation 2. Okay, now what you will do is on subtracting, write down on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 we get what we are going to get. Write down area. So from where you get this, left hand side you all have to subtract ABD and EBD area. From equation 1, area ABD minus area EBD. Okay, here is equal to area ACD. Right hand side you all see area ABCD and minus area ECD. Okay, so basically what you all are going to get is, from this you will get area ABE. Okay, you will get area ABE is equal to area ACE. Okay, AC. So Okay, so I hope you all have understood this part. Area ACE you will get. If you subtract this part, you will get area ACE. Okay, which area it is? This area, ACE. So finally we proved it, right? Finally we proved that area ABE is equal to area ACE. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching. You all can take down this.